Hi, it's Vanessa with the Sprint update. This sprint, we added some enhancements to existing features. We will be adding the concept of division to the lead details. And admins will be able to set the values that populate here in this selector and also the targets for each division, which we'll talk about in a minute. So when a user selects a value here, they click the button and it gets logged here just like the other selectors here on this page. By doing that, it will be counted here in this top section on the scorecard. And you can see here each division has a separate target. So for every month, European target is 5 leads, and only 3 were accomplished this January. In March, they did a little better with 5 out of 5. In March, they did 4 out of 5, etc. So putting the values like this, we will be able to do some cool things with percentages in the future to show the actual against the target. So to help us accomplish this, we are going to introduce the concept of a scoped label like GitLab has. These will be associated with the lead status. So the user would set the lead status here. The system would automatically assign a group label and display it on the user. And these scope labels can relate to these values here. So this particular section shows that there are 15 leads in the system with this label, meaning that there are 15 leads in the system that have this status of qualified lead. These scope labels we'll be able to leverage in other parts of the app. For example, we'll be able to show statuses on campaigns like draft, pending, or sent, or show groupings for actions on events like invited, RSVP'd, or attended. This is Epic 277, which is slated for start work next sprint. Next up is the notifications drawer. Currently, the bell icon, when clicked, takes the user to the task page. With this new feature, a drawer will open up showing cards for each of the notifications. These notification cards will be clickable and take the user to the corresponding page. So task would go to the task page, comment would go to where this comment originated. This particular example, this one and the one above it would be on a process, so that process would open. Message would go to my messages page. These cards also feature a seen and unseen state. So cards that are seen will remain in the notifications for up to a day. And this will allow admins to check their glance check their notifications and then come back later to take action. This is Epic 297, which is slated for work to start next sprint.